and
Dude,
doing well.
You want me to tell a personal story?
Oh, please. Yeah, let's hear it.
Guess how much I made my first year in real estate?
Dun, 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 dun. Hold on, let me guess.
Guess, yeah.
Now, because of the way you said it, I'm going to assume it wasn't much.
It was not much.
I'm going to assume that you made 20 to 50K.
Ooh, I wish you were right.
Really?
I wish you were right.
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding.
Okay, throw the number.
First year, 13 grand.
No.
Get this though.
flipping. Okay.
Get this though. Second year. It's weird how people don't like talking about money.
Yeah.
I think what's wrong about talking about money?
People who don't like talking about money, I think, are the 50, 60-year-olds back in the day, and they're not open about it. And then some people now, like, you'll ask some people like, if you ask me certain questions, I might be like, I'm not really trying to say that.
Sure.
But in general, I share what I made this year, what I made that month, etc. Of course, ballparking it.
Yeah.
You know?
And granted, my first year I was only 21 years old. So
yeah.
Like no one that age is buying
were you
houses.
fully focused that first year?
Kind of, sort of. I was still kind of doing a little side thing, but then I realized like, yo, if I need to like be successful at real estate, I need to be all in.
Okay.
Going back to what I just said.
Mm-hmm.
So first year, 13 grand. Guess how much I made my second year? I'm just going to say it.
60K.
130 grand.
No flip.
So I literally, in the span of a year, I literally 10x my money.
The number is literally 11, 12x, almost. Nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
So that was year 1 to year 2, and now I'm on year 6. It's literally just been an exponential curve.
Okay. And did you want to quit year 1 when you saw 13K? Honestly.
No, of course not. It was like, okay, like I've kind of got my feet wet, but it kind of pushed me to. It was like, dude, 13 grand, like, come on, you could do better than this.
What am I going to buy with that, with this inflation toilet paper?
Man, I know. Oh my gosh. So
listen to this.
13, it's motivating.
Okay, let me ask you this then.
Yeah.
13K your first year, which I love how you shared that.
Yeah.
Because right now your numbers aren't even near there.
Yeah.
But you shared, someone's watching this. They're probably like, I made 30K, and they're so happy hearing that you made 13K.
You're ahead of me.
Literally.
Yeah.
Right? So let me ask you this. Your 13K that you made, how many hours of work can you ballpark that you put in to make that 13K? And that's important because depending on how many hours you put, let's just put it in months. Like, did you work for a month to make that 3 months, 6 months of focus?
I didn't. So getting into the business, I didn't know how much work it required. I was kind of playing around with it. And now obviously I know, like, the amount of time and effort that goes into it, it's a lot. So it's kind of a learning process, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I definitely put in a lot of hours for that, but it just goes back to what we said. It's like a majority of agents, they drop out in their first year. Most people, they're making 13 grand in their first year. They're probably going to drop out. You know what I mean? You can't live off of that. So
100%. I mean, you can't even rent an apartment at this rate. That's $1,100 a month almost. Yeah, you can't even get an apartment. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
So, yeah, but I knew the potential that the business had, so I was like, let me stick with it. Like, never thought of quitting. Let me stick with it, and year 2 was obviously much better. And then, like I said, it's just, dude, it's been exponential since then. It's been great.